In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a single frame and take screenshots in CapCut. This is really useful if you want to save a high-quality still image from your video, maybe for a thumbnail, a social media post, or to use as a reference while editing. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own project. First, open CapCut and load the project that contains the clip you want to capture. Make sure your timeline is visible at the bottom of the screen. If you have multiple clips, zoom in a little on the timeline so you can move the playhead more precisely. This will make it easier to land on the exact frame you want. Next, drag the playhead along the timeline until you reach the moment you want to turn into a screenshot. You can use the small forward and backward controls, or gently drag with your mouse or finger for more accuracy. Take your time here. If the subject is moving, scrub back and forth a few frames to find the sharpest, clearest frame. What you see in the preview window is exactly what will be exported. Once you're happy with the frame, make sure there are no overlays, text, or effects visible that you don't want in your screenshot. If needed, temporarily hide any elements by toggling them off or muting their tracks. Then return to the same frame with the playhead. Now, look for the Snapshot or Frame Export button in CapCut's interface. On desktop, this is usually found just below or near the preview window and looks like a small camera icon. On mobile, it may appear as a similar camera symbol above the timeline or on the right side of the preview. When you click or tap this button, CapCut will capture the current frame as a still image. After capturing, CapCut will either save the image directly to your device or open a dialog asking where you'd like to save it. Choose a folder you can easily find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated screenshots folder. You may also be asked to choose a format, usually JPEG or PNG. JPEG is great for smaller file sizes, while PNG preserves a bit more detail and is better if you'll be editing the image further. Finally, go to the location where you saved the file and open it to confirm everything looks right. If the frame isn't quite what you wanted, just return to CapCut, move the playhead slightly, and repeat the capture until you get the perfect shot. And that's how to export a single frame and take screenshots in CapCut.